Man City is playing Nottingham Forest today, early kickoff. This is a huge game for Man City to win this game and step up in the first place again. And also Nottingham Forest to win this game to make sure that they are fighting not to be relegated and stay in the Premier League next season. It's a huge game, early kickoff. And another game I'm looking forward is Arsenal-Brighton. Arsenal need to win this game to make sure that they keep fighting Man City in the league title this season. And also Brighton, they're a good team. It's not easy for you to win Brighton this season. They are fighting to make sure that they qualify to any European competition next season. Another game I'm looking forward is West Ham Fulham. This is a match West Ham need to win if they want to remove themselves from relegation pot. And also Fulham, they are losing their three key players in AFCON. They need to step up. I know that they win in the weekend, 1-0, but they need to make sure that they keep their league alive. Another game I'm looking forward is Brentford Bournemouth. This game is two teams that are equal in level. Trust me, I'm seeing this game as a draw game because the two teams are in a good position. Another game I'm looking forward is Burnley Everton. This game is a huge game. This game is a two teams that understand each other well. But for me, I cannot say that it will be a draw game. Tell me what you think about this club I mentioned. Do you think that it will be a huge entertainment today, or you think that one team will fall up? For me, I cannot say that it will be a huge entertainment game. Tell me in the comment section, but don't forget to follow me for more content. One love.